Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video today I'm going to be showing you how to place a buy position on your Delta Exchange app using trade signals. Alright, so without wasting much time, if you're new to this YouTube channel, do well to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification bell. So right here is your Delta Exchange app. All you need to do is click on this icon right here, this trade icon. Now once you click on it, it's going to pop up like this is what you're going to be see. So if you want to change any crypto token on your Delta Exchange app, you click right here, you click on it. Now you're going to be seeing so many tokens, then you can select. I'm going to be going with BTC because the trade I want to take is on BTC. I'll click on it. Alright, so right here where you're seeing leverage right here, you can change it to, you can always change it to any leverage you want. For beginners, we always recommend 5x leverage so that you don't do more than you want to lose. Alright, so but I'm gonna be going with 50x leverage, and right here you can see the options right here, either long or short. Alright, so let's go to our Telegram channel where the signal has been dropped. Let's see if it's going to be a long or short. Alright, so right here is our Telegram channel. As you can see right here, this is BTC, which is long right here, meaning buy. You can see our entry right here. So let's go back to our Delta Exchange app to set our entry. Our entry right here is 59890. So let's go back to our Delta Exchange app to set that. Alright, so on our Delta Exchange app, this is where we put in our price right here, 59890. so right here is also where you select the amount of BTC you want to buy. You can select 10%, you can select 20%, you can select 50%, you can select 75 or even 100. Alright, depending on what you want. Alright, let's go with 75%. Now after you do that, then you can now click on this add TP and SL, because it's always important to add TP and SL to your trade. Alright, we click on it. Now once you click on it, this is how it's going to look like. Alright, so let's go to our Telegram channel to check for our TP. Alright, so on our Telegram channel right here, you can see our SL right here, and you can see our target zone right here. Our SL is 59573.2. so let's go to our Delta Exchange app to set that. Alright, so on our Delta Exchange app, you can see our SL has been set 59573.2. Alright, so let's set our TP right here. Alright, let's set our TP right here. Let's go back to our Telegram channel to set our TP. Alright, so now on our Telegram channel right here, you can see our target zone right here, which is 60523. Alright, so let's go back to our Delta Exchange app to set our entry on our take profits. Alright, you can see our target has been set right here. You can see 60523. Alright, so I want you to pay close attention to this. Now if you look below this zone, you can see that if this trade should hit our target, we're going to be making $3.16, and if this trade should hit our stop loss, we are going to be losing $1.58. that means we are winning more than we are losing. Alright, which is very good. Alright, so after you've set everything, you can now click on this set bracket icon right here. You click on it. Now your trade will be set. Now you go again and see if everything is okay. Now if everything is okay, you go ahead and click on this buy icon right here. You click on it, then you click on this place order right here. You click on it. Now your order positions will be waiting. Your order position will be waiting right here. You can see the order has been placed right here. Now your order position will be waiting right at this point until market reaches this price order you placed on this trade. Then it will automatically trigger, and once it triggers, it's going to be on position right here running. Alright, so this is how to place a trade using trade signals on your data exchange app. Alright, don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this YouTube channel, turn on post notification bell, and for trade signals you can check the link in our description below, where we share our exact trade signals every single day. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.